Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to unsync Google Photos. The first thing you do is open up your Google Photos and then you tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, tap on photo settings, tap on backup, turn off backup, and then you go to settings, tap on settings, then you go to photos. I want to turn off the permissions for Google Photos. Tap on it, then you remove the permission, tap on don't allow, and then you can also further delete the photos from Google Photos by opening up in the browser. For example, open up the browser, tap on, type in Google Photos. Tap on it. So you can select the photos you want to delete. Once you're done, Google will not be able to access your photos again.